Have you ever wanted to bake a cookie that instantly brings Christmas cheer, the moment you open the oven? Today, we're making Christmas Pinwheel Cookies, a festive swirl of buttery sugar cookie dough, bright holiday colors, and a sprinkle of magic. They look impressive, but they're surprisingly simple to make. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need. 2 3/4 cups all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1 cup unsalted butter, softened. 1 cup granulated sugar. 1 large egg. 2 teaspoons vanilla extract. Red food coloring. Green food coloring. Holiday sprinkles, optional, for edges. These ingredients will give you soft, tender cookies with those beautiful red and green spirals. In a medium bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, and salt. Set that aside. In a larger bowl, cream together the butter and sugar until it's light and fluffy, about 2 minutes. Then add your egg and vanilla extract, mixing until fully combined. Now slowly add in your dry ingredients. Mix just until the dough comes together. You should end up with a smooth, soft cookie dough. Divide the dough into 3 equal pieces. Leave 1 portion plain. Color 1 portion red. Color the last portion green. Add a few drops of food coloring at a time until you reach your perfect holiday shade. Gently knead each portion until the color is even. Wrap each dough portion in plastic wrap and chill for 30 minutes. This makes them easier to roll. Once the dough is chilled, roll each piece into a rectangle, about the same size. Place the green layer on the bottom, the red layer in the middle, and the plain dough on top. Use a rolling pin to lightly press the layers together so they stick. Now, starting from one long edge, roll the dough into a tight log. This is where the magic happens, the swirl is forming. If you want festive edges, gently roll the dough log in holiday sprinkles. Wrap the dough log and chill again for 1 to 2 hours, or until firm. This step is important. It helps the cookies hold their shape. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, about 175 degrees Celsius. Slice your cookie log into 1/4 inch rounds and place them on a lined baking sheet. Bake for 9 to 11 minutes, just until the edges are set. They should stay soft and colorful. Let them cool on a wire rack, and enjoy the moment. The swirls, the colors, the smell of Christmas drifting through your home. Christmas Pinwheel Cookies are more than just a dessert. They're a festive tradition, a little joy you can bake right in your own kitchen. Perfect for cookie boxes, holiday parties, or gifting to someone special. If you love this recipe, be sure to check out our next holiday dessert video for more sweet inspiration.